Hey guys, what's up? I'm Slim and you're watching Slimothy TV. In this video, we've got two iPhone 15 cases to review for you guys. Now these were sent out courtesy of FNTCASE, so big thank you and shout out to them for sending these cases out free for review. Let's go ahead, take a look at these and see what we've got. So we'll set this one off to the side and we'll start with this one over here. And let's see what it looks like. Nothing else in the box. Set that to the side. And here is the case itself we are presented with. This is for the iPhone 15, as you can see. Now it also comes with a screen protector, which is super nice, and a camera lens protector if you're into that. So that's really nice to see included on a case like this. It also has, I guess, transparency if you care about that. We also have a patch installation cleaning kit, which is basically for the screen protector. So let me just take a quick peek at this screen protector just to see what kind we were working with. Okay, so this is just your average tempered glass screen protector. Good quality, should get the job done just for, protecting from daily scratches and such. This right here is camera protector, but the star of the show, this is what you guys all want to see. This is the case itself. Now it says, of course, to please peel the film, which unfortunately, this does not work very well. These never work well, so now I'm gonna have to peel it from here. There we go. And is there one on the inside? No, there is not. So that is the case itself. And I'm gonna go ahead, grab the iPhone 15, and let's see how it looks. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and stick it right in. Of course, this is a dummy case, so yours will have the frosted phone back, but this case is clear and glossy, so that kind of negates that anyway. So here is what it will look like on your phone. There it is. Take a look around. We got resivity for days right here, so no issues about that. So you can set your phone down and not have any worries. We also have a cutout up here for your speaker, so you shouldn't have any issues hearing people on the phone. Cutouts down here look perfect. Look at these unique they look like air bubble ridges around the sides here, all the way around. On the back, you can see there is resivity for the camera, so you don't have to worry about setting your phone down on the back either. We have MagSafe included. Let's test the buttons. They feel perfect, no issues at all. Now, one thing I did notice is this is not the clearest case I've ever seen. There's a slight bit of yellowing because we always rate our cases on a scale of 1 to 10, with 10 being the most yellow. This is probably at a 1.5 out of 10. There's not much, but I think within a year or two, this case will turn yellow. There was almost no signs of blue. I'll show you guys that right now. I noticed this as soon as I unboxed the case. No signs of bluing at all in the case. So it usually means that it's going to yellow a little quicker, but it is a cheaper case and it comes with the screen protectors and such. So you do get a lot for your money here in this case, no pun intended, but this one likely will yellow after a year or two. But by that time, you'll probably have another case anyway. So if you are looking for a standard iPhone clear case, this might be one to check out. So let me grab the MagSafe. Of course, I can't test it because this is a dummy phone right here, but wow, this is incredibly strong. This MagSafe, this is easily a 7.5 out of 10, maybe even a 7.7. Super strong MagSafe. You don't have to worry about your accessories on the back. Very well done, FNTCASE. That is a strong magnetic ring. Now, I do want to mention there doesn't appear to be any branding on this entire case. And on top of that, the mute switch right here, cutout is perfect, so you don't have to worry there either. Let's move on to the next case and see what we've got. So here we have the next FNTCASE, which also says clear, but I am curious to see what this one is going to look like. All right, so we have same little card. We have a applicator right here for the screen protector, which is of course included. Very nice to see that. And this one does not have MagSafe. I do recall that I said that I wanted to review cases with MagSafe, but they sent this one, which is no problem. Same exact yellowing as the other one, probably a 1.5 out of 10, but not a huge deal because you are getting so much with these cases for the price. Now, one thing I do want to mention, you don't get any applicator for the screen protector. So there's no alignment tool or anything like that. You just have to do it by hand the old-fashioned way. So keep that in mind. It could be something you care about, maybe, maybe not. But taking a look at the resivity on the camera here, looks perfect. Button feel, no issues at all. Bottom here, the cutout is perfect. This is the exact same case, just without MagSafe. Now, why you would want a case without MagSafe in 2023, I don't know. I recommend everyone get a case with MagSafe. There's almost no reason to have a case without it at this point, but here they are. If you want them, you can go check them out. I'll have them linked down below. You guys can see if the price makes sense for you. We got the one with MagSafe and the one without, and these are for the iPhone 15. So links down below. Big thank you and shout out to FNTCASE for sending these out free for review. If you like the video, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.